Hi there. My question to the panel of lawyers is, I have a child who turns 21 in October. Just in case the visa bulletin becomes current in October, which we all hope, right? 3 weeks before her birthday, will she be able to accompany me to the US? I was born in the UK and I passed the NCLEX, have a visa screen as well. I'm in the process of interviewing with Kinetics. Well, welcome. So, Carl, do you want to take that question?
Well, if you haven't started the process yet, then it's very unlikely. There is something called the Child Status Protection Act, and if you have already had a I-140, which is a petition by the employer sponsoring you, the length of time that petition is pending would be subtracted from the child's age when your number comes up. We call that, your number is your priority date, your place in line. So if your child, let me give you an example. You're normally a child who's over 21 would not be able to immigrate with you, but under the Child Status Protection Act, let's say your child was 21 and a half by the time that your number came up, but the petition had been pending for 1 year. That 1 year would be subtracted from your child's age, so they would become 20 and a half. And even though their actual age is 21 and a half, their CISPA age, their Child Status Protection Act age, would be 20 and a half, and they'd be able to immigrate together with you.
Okay. Jacob, do you have anything to add on that?
No, I'll agree with Carl. If they haven't started the process, I don't really see how it's possible for them to do this. But especially for Filipinos and people that have to wait for so long, the CISPA was a blessing. So I think in this case, it doesn't look like they've started. But again, like Carl said, if they had an I-140 pending for a year or two, that will be subtracted from the age even after they're 21.
And it seems like, I'm not sure in this case, but it seems like in this case, that's not what happened.
Right.
So unfortunately, it looks like the child may not be included in that petition. The one thing to bear in mind is if that child is becoming a nurse, they could get their own petition. So I would definitely encourage this nurse to see what her child is planning to do, because then she may be able to come in on her own.